Get out the way. Get out the way. I'm coming right for you. Get out the way.
Hi, it's Geordie Dave here and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do the Fast and Furious Toyota Supra issue 49. If you all enjoy watching these, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's crack on. Cape magazine, Toyota Corolla by numbers, Toyota Chaser, the film, Tej Porter, Tech Wizard, and the ports, the left engine panel bay. So I'm going to put this in, so a lot of screws to go in by the looks of it, and that's what it'll look like when it's finished. And there's the ports. We'll get it open and we'll crack on. Okay, we're going to get this. This is not going to be easy. CP screw. That's fitting under here. So that's fitted on there like so. Okay, I'm going to bring the car down. So, panic. Okay, I'm going to get this onto here. Take that tape off. I'm not going to pull in one. Make sure that no, looks like I've got to get an AM screw through there into the shock absorber. So I think that's a shot box so well lined up. Sorry if I'm off camera, but that many details getting sorted. Right. As you can see, what I'm trying to get sorted is right, BM screws. Right, I've got to get these BM screws in. Well, it looks as if it's, oh man, it's one in here. One in the back. I'm not hitting nothing. It's not tightening. Oh, just turning. There's definitely something wrong here, it's not going in. Let's take this off. Something on the end off a bit. This looks like it's going to be a nightmare to go in this. No, it's nothing gripping on there. Okay, I'll go back and sort this out. Getting that in. What a job. Okay, I'm going to get these two IP screws in. What's up is this has got to be pushed into there. And another IP. Down in there. This doesn't want to go in. Some of these screws just do not want to go in. It does not want to go in. That's it. Should go in now. You heard that click. Hey, what a job. See if I can get this tightened a bit more. Suspension. Oh, best I can get that. Okay. What now? I'm going to turn it upside down. And I'm going to put an EM and a BM in. So there's an EM. There's one of my BMs. Get these mixed up. Where's my BM screw? There they are. Right, there's the EM. Flip this over, which I don't. Oh, there's a flipping lead fell off. Oh, that's what I do not like. That's popping out. You can't even see where they go. BM at the back. Insert the one screw to the highlighted holes in the front left brake vent. So somewhere down here, I think it's that. So, them holes got a torch right at the back there, right at the back there. So, that's that done. I've got to find out where that wire's come off now. So I'm going to flip the car over. If I can, oh, the trouble when you're moving stuff, things fall off. And I know there's a blue wire dropped. I've seen it drop. Right, I'll have to look for that later and put it on. So that's that issue done. Not the easiest of issues. We'll find where that wire's come off. Catch you soon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and come back now. I think it's come off there, yeah. And we're back next time for issue 50. So it's doing more work on this still, and so we'll see you then. So bye for now. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.